Hello friends, I am Rajneesh Chandran. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here in this video we are going to discuss about the construction of cam profile for a flat faced follower. Here the follower motion is simple harmonic and the type of follower is flat faced. So in the previous video we have discussed about the construction of cam profile for a knife edge follower and roller follower for the motions like uniform velocity, simple harmonic and uniform acceleration and retardation. So in this video we are going to study about the construction of cam profile for a flat faced follower. You can see the problem right now in your screen. A cam drives a flat reciprocating follower in the following manner. During the first 120-degree rotation of the cam, follower moves outwards through a distance of 20 mm with a simple harmonic motion. The follower dwells during the next 30 degree of the cam rotation, and during the next 120-degree cam rotation, the follower moves inwards with a simple harmonic motion. The follower dwells for the next 90 degree of cam rotation. The minimum radius of the cam is 25 mm. Draw the profile of the cam. So this is the problem. So I have drawn the displacement diagram right now. It is given that the outstroke is 120 degree, dwell is 30 degree and the return stroke is 120 degree and the remaining dwell is 90 degree and the stroke length is 20 mm. Motion is simple harmonic. So you all know how to construct the displacement diagram when the follower is moving with the simple harmonic motion. In case if you have any doubts, you can check my previous videos where I have clearly discussed how to construct the displacement diagram for a simple harmonic motion. It is given that the minimum radius of the cam is 50 mm. So first we have construct the diagram, the circle cam base circle with the radius 50 mm. Sorry, the radius is 25 mm. So we have constructed the base circle of the cam with the radius 25 mm. I have also marked the outstroke 120 degree, dwell 30 degree and the remaining return stroke 120 degree and the remaining dwell 90 degree. That also has been marked. For constructing the cam profile, first we have to mark the flat faced follower. Since the dimension of the flat faced follower is not given, we can take any dimension for the flat faced follower. So I have taken 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, so this is 0.5 and this is 0.5, or you can take 2 centimeter also, so that this should be equal in all directions. So I have marked a flat faced follower there. We know that this point will be our 0. Now the step is divide this 120 into 6 equal parts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly this also can be marked 6, 7, 6-7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 2. Now connect to the center of the circle and extend. Completed. Now the next step is, you all know, take 1A mark here, so this is our A. Take 2B mark here, so this is our B. Take 3C from here, mark here. 4D, 5E, 6F, 6-G, 7H. 7H means this height. Then 8I, 9J. Okay. This will be L. This will be K. This will be J. All the points are marked. Now the step is, at every point through this A, through this point A, you have to mark this flat faced follower here. How can we mark? See, take this distance and this distance. Take this distance and draw a line perpendicular to this line in this direction. The same distance has to be marked here, so that you will get a flat faced follower here. Similarly, you can mark this follower through every point that will be perpendicular to this line. like this, like this. This distance should be equal to this distance. Only this much line is enough. So through every point we have marked the corresponding flat faced follower. Now the method is, this is our initial point. From this point, as in the case of a roller follower, from this point draw a curve tangential to the flat face at every point, so that that curve will touch only at a single point with the respective followers. So from O we can connect like this. See, it touched only here, from there, from there, this is the method of constructing the cam profile for a flat faced follower. So the only difference is once you mark the flat faced follower at a initial point, at every point you can locate these points A, B, C, D at every intervals. At every point or at each point you have to mark the corresponding position of the flat faced follower there. So if there is no dimension is given, you can take any dimension for that follower. So that this dimension should be same at every point. That's the only issue in this problem. So after drawing these followers at every A, B, C, D, E, F in this cam profile, you can connect like this, so that at every follower there will be a single point, and that single point is to be selected, so that this curve should be tangential at that point. So this is the method of constructing the cam profile for a flat faced follower. Also you have to mark this dimensions. This is base circle, radius 25, that is to be marked. This is a cam profile, like that you have to mark. This outstroke dwell, return, and the remaining outstroke dwell is already marked. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Thank you.